This is the Earth Science Classroom. Welcome back to the channel. This is a Typhoon Dolphin update. It is August 1st, 2026. I'm looking at the satellite imagery courtesy of NOAA and the Himawari satellite used by Japan. And we see here the visible satellite image of dolphin. You see the formed eye, and we see this beautiful typhoon, which is still a violent typhoon, winds of 140 miles per hour, moving west-northwest at 17 miles per hour, and a central eye pressure of 937 millibars. Now, currently it is at 21.9 degrees north and 155.6 degrees east, which is going towards the subtropical latitudes. However, it has taken a strange path. When I first covered this typhoon, I thought it would take a nice curved right-handed path east of Japan up into the North Pacific Ocean and not impact anything in Asia. However, it has not done that. It has moved further west and continued to strengthen. At some points, it had winds of over 165 miles per hour and is continuing across the Philippine Sea. It is projected to impact the Okinawa Islands, which are south of the main islands of Japan, before it reaches the East China Sea around late next week, around Thursday, August 6th. Now, this is a long time away, and the forecast and this typhoon can change direction and change its characteristics based on many atmospheric conditions, but right now it is following the warmest ocean surface temperatures. Now, this area of the Western Pacific is still very, very warm, with above average temperatures of around 86 to 88 degrees Fahrenheit, which is more than enough to sustain typhoon development and typhoon strength winds. Now, the wind shear has to be discussed, because the wind shear, which is different directions of wind based on different altitudes, can affect the development and weaken a typhoon. Right now, south of Japan, we have some westerly winds which could impact Typhoon Dolphin as it passes across. However, the upper level winds around 250 millibars in the atmosphere, so around 40,000 feet up, they are still moving at a strong easterly direction. So this could impact, and also the latitude may impact the strength or weakening of the typhoon, and also the depth of the water. The shallower the water, the less heat in the ocean, and that could also impact the typhoon going forward. But if it continues on its course, or the cone of uncertainty, which takes it into the East China Sea towards the end of next week, this could impact Shanghai on the east coast of China, which is a highly populated and amazingly large city. Now, the typhoon's naturally going to weaken down to winds of around 100 miles per hour. However, this could change when it enters the East China Sea, which is still extremely warm. This is the Earth Science Classroom. Thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate it. And if you get a chance to like and subscribe, that stuff really helps the channel. Thank you so much. And see you again in a future video.